everyone. Thanks for checking out our channel. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Nicole.
And we are
Locey Swim and Spa. If you're looking for tips on how to take care of your pool or spa, subscribe to our channel for everything you need to know on how to keep your pool and spa happy.
Being a family-owned business started by our father over 40 years ago, there's not much we haven't seen when it comes to pools.
That's right, and we're here to pass that knowledge down. We'll offer you certified knowledge with easy to understand pool and spa friendly terms.
And we've already created some training and how-to videos, so feel free to check those out in our library below. And if you have any other questions, please put them in the comment section and we'll be happy to answer those for you. And you just might get your own custom-made video made out of it depending on your question.
Thanks again for checking us out.
And don't forget to subscribe.